Alright guys, Backwoods RC is Project Dumpster Max. It's one Scott pulled out of the trash, literally. We tore it down, cleaned it up. As it turned out, one of the engines was actually new, so pretty easy to get it running. The other engine, we replaced bearings in it. Cleaned it up, went through it, so we're going to try to see if we'll fire up. Probably going to have some tuning issues, so let's see what it'll do. Well, alright fellas, that was Dumpster Max. Actually both motors sound pretty good. We still got to go through a little bit more tuning, but stay tuned, man. I'll try to get some wheels on this thing, and we'll see if we can set a big up out here, and we'll beat on it a little bit for you. Thanks fellas.